Gone are the days of switching between platforms to collaborate on documents. Say hello to Monday Workdocs. With Workdocs, turn words into work and documents into collaborative workspaces. Let's check it out. Just like boards and dashboards, Workdocs can be added from the left panel by clicking here. Workdocs are all about collaboration. With that in mind, add your team members by clicking here. For greater control, change permissions so only owners can make edits. Clicking the crown next to any name will toggle ownership for a user. Say we need to recap a big company meeting. Workdocs give us the power to do this and more. Think of Workdocs as a blank canvas where you can add freestanding elements. You can find all of these elements in the top toolbar or by simply typing a / on your keyboard. Remove the mouse altogether by searching for your element with your keyboard after entering a \. Create titles, add inline images, videos, stylize your text, and much, much more. Collaborate directly on the document by tagging teammates with the @ symbol. Make changes in a flash by dragging and dropping, or with the menu on the left-hand side. Move elements up or down, duplicate, delete, and even completely transform all from here. Okay, let's get to the fun stuff. Merge your doc with the rest of your workflow by connecting a board. The board is fully operational, meaning you can make changes to it while still on the doc. If you think that's cool, check this out. This week, we were able to take notes from the company meeting about the creative direction for our marketing team. Before Workdocs, we would have had to leave the document and collaborate elsewhere. Now, with just a few clicks, any piece of text on your doc can be turned into an item on a Monday board. I know what you're thinking. Docs couldn't possibly get any better, right? Wrong. Customize your workdoc even further with widgets. For our team, we use the battery widget to track the status of our social content, and a numbers widget to see the overall budget. Not bad. One last thing, connect your doc to any board with the files column. Finally, everyone on the same page. That's it for now. Click here for more on docs and all things monday.com.